Guys, please like, subscribe, hit notification bell. This is HTML Jobs or HTML Email Developer YouTube channel. Here again, I have my ebooks. If you want to become an HTML email developer, how to build your portfolio for email developers, and how to become a web content editor. And I've added this how to become an email marketing specialist because a lot of times I see now that they're having jobs that job titles that's email marketing specialist or email marketing marketer, and they will have the same duties as some task as HTML development. So sometimes you'll see they have automation and listing and segmentations in their description, and also they have uh, uh, requirements as far as knowing how to code emails as well. So now they're intertwining the HTML email development side and the email marketing, and they're putting them into one title. So I've seen that a few times since probably in the last 6 months to a year. So if you learn this, how to become an email marketing specialist and email developer, that'll be good. That way you'll know both when you get hired for a job or you interview for a job. You know how to do both, not just one, but both at the same time. Also, we have this interview prep packet right here. Man, there's a lot of good information in here as far as how to ask certain questions. It's got a lot of behavior questions that a lot of the employers ask on interviews. Uh, it's got a lot of information. I was shocked when I found it on online. It has a lot of scenarios as far as what you should do, body language, all kind of things in here as far as how to get prepared for an interview. Again, it's at emailcapital.com right here, emailcapital.com. Let's get into this email specialist position. It says email specialist, but email marketing, so many different names when you're doing the same tasks. So let's get into it. This is dice.com. I'm sure you guys have been to this website. It has a lot of tech positions on this website as well. If not, I have this in the description below, and you can come and take a look at this position as well as others. Let's get into it. So this is the email specialist position. It's still available. They posted it 16 days ago. Was updated probably, I'd say, maybe an hour or two ago. This is from yesterday when I pulled it up. So the job is paying 60 to 80,000 per year. Kind of a wide gap, between $28 $38. Between the two. Little skills here they have right here. Little keywords right here. Mailchimp, HubSpot, A/B testing, what have you. So let's get into it. It's a direct hire, no contract, which is good. Direct, nothing wrong with contracting. I'm just saying a direct hire is better than contracting, if you ask me. Depending on the job, though. It says the responsibilities directly overseeing strategy and execution for 7+ clients prioritized by support level. So they probably work for 7 different clients, 7 different businesses that they probably continue getting work from, and they work their emails or what have you. Creating meeting agendas and running email related meetings in coordination with their client success managers while also putting performance reports for clients. So basically just meeting with the clients and probably your coworkers and just going over what the agendas are and what is expected from the client for you to complete the client's I'd say projects that they want done for them. Proficiency in orchestrating contract execution resources. Provide ongoing optimizations and recommendations for automizations, including building a comprehensive annual automation strategy plan for each client in line with C-suite goals. So you're probably going to be, building maybe listings or segmentations or what have you for the clients. And I'm sure this company, ConsultNet, they will fill you in on what you need to do in whatever campaign strategies that they use because they already have those campaigns strategies already probably laid out. So uh, it's your job to learn that process and how they go about execute their campaigns. Demonstrating proficiency in planning and executing and measuring um, experiments, A/B testings. A/B testing is like if so example. I'm gonna give you an example. I had a website years ago. It was an entertainment website, and I would post some events on certain days. Then I would go back in the MailChimp and I would see what my results are. Maybe it would be 2% people open that I'd say open the that event that post that I had on that certain day, and then if I see the percentages, then maybe I want to go back and change the date I want to post the event to a different day. Instead of Monday, I'm posting it on maybe Thursday or something like that. So then I go back in and see the results after maybe 2 weeks, a month, or what have you, and I'll see if they open that post up and see what the percentages are on that post. And if that post is higher on Thursdays than it was me when I posted on every Monday, then that's how you A/B and test. So that's just a generic example of A/B testings. Keep up with industry knowledge and best practices with a delivery of quarterly innovation experiments to be replicated across all client accounts. So basically, they're just saying, these are the practices that they use, and like I said, it never changed. When they say replicate across all clients, so they're probably going to have the same type of setup that they use as far as email automations, listings, or whatever have you. Again, they already have their campaign strategy that they know they want to lay out for the clients. It says proactive campaign strategy and analysis of email data to maximize future campaign performance requiring minimal edits from manager. So what they're saying is once you set up the strategy or whatever, they do review the performances. Again, A/B testing, seeing what works, seeing what's not working, and that entails what you want to edit as far as the manager. So you set up the campaign strategy or whatever, and the manager goes over and based off the performances, and then they see if they can edit and make the campaign better as far as what strategies they want to use. Overseeing and managing email automations across all client accounts, including setting up automation based on the customer journey and monitoring their performance. So this is more like this is kind of like what Salesforce use. Um, not Salesforce, not just Salesforce, but other internet service providers. They use different, I'd say, journeys as well. But I'm familiar with Salesforce because I know that's when I first started seeing journeys or what have you, setting up journeys. There's so many things you could do in Salesforce, which is crazy. I didn't know you could use Salesforce as a storage container. I found that out the other day when I was talking to somebody about data entry, and they said they use Salesforce just for storing their leads, what have you. So Salesforce is very powerful. So if you can go in and look up Salesforce and look up customer journeys, I mean it'll give you an idea of what they're trying to do. I could explain it, but it's kind of not. It's kind of hard to explain. But if you look it up on YouTube, you can find out. Just put in Salesforce and customer journey, and it'll give you an idea and show you. Somebody will show you on the video what it entails. Now, 5 years of experience executing email marketing specialist. Wouldn't pay attention to that task or similar in direct to consumer e-commerce with deep knowledge of best practices, strategies, and trends. So, if you know email marketing, and if you did email marketing before then, I mean, 5 years, no. Deep understanding customer lifetime value and how to deploy insights within the email slash SMS channel. Experience with Klaviyo, MailChimp, and HubSpot or similar platforms with strong understanding of email deliverance and the metrics. So a lot of these internet service providers, they do pretty much the same thing, just different variables, different buttons, but they pretty much do the same thing. Some may be user friendlier than others, but they still do the same thing. Trust me. It says a year experience managing international teams to orchestrate project deliverables. Now, that is interesting. Not even sure what that means. I guess you're going to be helping people overseas, I guess. I don't know. Managing people overseas or what have you. Demonstrate clear adoption and innovation utilizing AI. Okay. Ability to develop and execute effective email campaigns utilizing segmentation and A/B testing. So, yeah, again, segmentation is just like, for example, if you go to a resort and you have a family that wants to go, I guess on a on a fun rides, like if it's something like a Disney rides or something like that, and then you have a family that want to go on a retreat or something like that. Um, that's what you mean. That's why you segment them between the two. So you have to make a list for the family that wants to go on the Disney rides and everything, and you want to make a list of the family that wants to go, on a retreat somewhere, and that's how you do segmentations as well. Again, you can just go on a YouTube and just look up segmentations, put in MailChimp, or you can put in Klaviyo or Salesforce as well. Excellent copywriting and content creating skills for engaging emails. Now, I've been familiar with copywriting. Do I know how to copyright? No. A lot of people don't, but a few people do. So I don't know if this is a heavily required task that you have to know. But it will help you very well if you did know that. I'm sure you'll get the $38 an hour instead of $28 if you know how to do copywriting. Familiar with GDPR and can spam regulations for compliance. This is just all about email spam and all that stuff. As far as being illegal and illegal, to send out spam like that. Strong analytical mindset for data-driven recommendations. Exceptional project management skills for handling multiple campaigns and deadlines. Yes, you will be having different multiple campaigns. They have, like I said, they have 7 clients, but those 7 clients can have different campaigns going on all at one time. So instead of, say for example, if it's 7 clients and they have seven different campaigns going on at each time, that's like, man, like almost like 49 of claims email campaigns going on. So it could be multiple campaigns for one client. Also, it says creative thinker with innovative email marketing ideas. That's good. They're open for ideas, so that's always a good thing. Passion for staying updated on industry developments and tools. Effective communication skills. Yep, written and verbal for client interactions. Yes. You have to talk to everybody from your manager, project manager, supervisor, flow team, sometimes the clients. I don't have to talk to the clients, but that's what my project manager is for. Also, demonstrate high levels of integrity, autonomy, and self-motivation. Familiar with SMS marketing strategies. So again, this is ConsultNet. Said they've been around for 25 years, I guess, and that's about it, guys. It says it's a direct hire, and again, it's paying 60 to 80,000 a year, which comes out to 28 to $38 an hour, based off my calculations. And it's still It's full remote, 100% remote, and it's still available right now, open right now. Sometimes these jobs close real quick, but it's still open right now. So that's it, guys. I will be having this link to this website, this posting. I have it in the description below. Again, guys, this is the HTML email developers YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Take care.